Gnarly. How do I even start this shit? I never know how to start YouTube videos. I used to write scripts for every single video. No, I don't at all. But I truly didn't feel like this video needed a script. Hi, my name is Santana Anthony and I'm a musical artist planning to make my debut later this year. And today I'm doing something very different. I'm playing a game. I'm playing a video game. It's called One Leaves, based on a true story. Why I decided to do a gaming video? I mean, when I was younger, I literally wanted to be a gaming YouTuber. So I'm like, as I'm doing YouTube now just to support my career and, you know, just give people more content, I'm like, might as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. I do not know what this game is about. I just know it's horror.
Psst. Hey kid, you can't see me, but I'm gonna try to give you a hand with this.
Wait, what the fuck?
See your friends over there? Well, they aren't your friends. They're the competition. Only one of you is making it out of here. The other three will be trapped forever. Like me. This is how it works. As soon as the buzzer goes off, the gates open, and it's a race to the exit. To get there, you're going to need to find the
I hate that if I pause it, he keeps talking.
You better be ready to run.
I guess I better get ready to run.
2, 1.
Okay. I literally have no idea what the hell is going on. It seems like an escape room type thing. What the fuck? Oh, interact. Okay.
Kid,
it's so
make it
dark.
up, this deck is stacked heavily against you. That being said, I'll give you a little hint. Follow the red wire.
I didn't hear his fucking hint. The audio is just like scattered. I don't know what the fuck he just said. So I guess I'm on my own here. But I'm assuming I need to get through this. Oh shit. I go under this. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that took me a minute. I was just walking around like, what is going on? Oh my fucking god! Now we're in this room. I see 3 wires. I don't know what that means, but there's an exit sign here, but I can't go through. I'm assuming I have to like trigger these wires or something, so I'm gonna follow them. What the fuck?
Welcome to the library. Maybe you'll learn something here. Move one bookshelf, and the whole thing shifts. It's like some kind of messed up Rubik's Cube. Try and find your way out.
Yeah, I'm fucking trying. What the fuck? What is that? There's like smoke over here. Am I dying? And man, that cough was fucking... it had some mucus in it. Wait, what? Oh, I made it. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. I'm sorry if I'm a bad gaming YouTuber. This is my first time. Okay, I found another cord going into these doors. Ooh! What the hell is that? What the fuck? Y'all, I'm so scared. I don't want to walk in there, but I'm gonna, because I'm not a pussy. The classroom is on fire. This classroom's literally on fire.
Been here before? Do you have an acute sense of deja vu?
Am I going in circles?
Turning around.
Hey, no way I'm stuck in like a little loop. Oh shit. I did it.
Bringing up the rear.
Oh, I did it. I have it.
Hopefully.
It's the
you're a late
exit.
bloomer.
At least I think I did it. Are we gonna send to the back rooms? Oh, I'm good at this. I think.
These suckers. I almost did too. I was close. But, well, let's just say it didn't work out for me.
I hope you know his sound system isn't very good. Like, I've heard like probably 10 words this man has said this entire time. Also, are these games supposed to be hard? Like, I know I'm shit talking, but like, they look pretty easy to me. Like, I've been
to the hospital.
zooming through these. What the fuck?
Choose a door and climb right in. One of them takes you to the switch. The others take you somewhere else.
I picked 2. What the fuck is that noise? Okay. The lever. Oh, maybe I did. Was that the wrong one? I think I went through the wrong one. I choose 3. Open. How do I open it? Oh shit. Is this it? What the hell? Okay, that was fun. Let's go through 4 now. Apparently I didn't die from that. I don't think I did. Are those... I feel the like mucus coming up in my throat. I'm like, ugh. Ugh. Out of here. That's actually the scariest part about this game, because it's gross. Gnarly. Now what the fuck am I supposed to do? Because soon enough this assignment's due. Okay, what is this room? I feel like this is significant. This is literally the first door I went through, and I turned this lever on and I can't turn it back off, so that seems like a good sign. Okay. This... Oh my god, you're joking!
Looks like we're going to get to know each other real well.
What? Fuck you!
You start running.
What? I'm living out my non-existent Saw fantasies today. Am I supposed to be running right now? Sounds like I'm supposed to be running. What the hell is this? That's...
Get to the light, kid! No more checkpoint!
What the fuck? I'm scared. Wait for me, dude. I'm running out of run power. No! I think it's over for me. No, I don't know where to go. Bro, I keep running into dead ends. I'm done. Oh my gosh, it's another dead. Oh shit. Exit.
Sorry, kid. One of your friends got out first. That means you'll be spending the rest of your life trapped, stuck in here with no way out. That's
So
not
I
even
would
the
just
worst
kill
part.
my... I'm not gonna say
Soon,
that.
you'll start changing. Tooth loss, lung disease, cancer. I wish I could say it isn't that bad, but it is.
I think I'm... Wait, is this like a metaphor? Just like, oh, this game is made by The Real Cost. The people who like say smoking is bad, which is true. Smoking is very bad. I don't smoke, so. But that's why they say it's based on a true story. That's like so interesting. That's fun. That's cute. Not cute that like, it's honestly really sad, but I'm not playing this again. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was an interesting game. But that was really fun to do, and it was a lot less scary than I thought it was going to be. We need to amp it up and play something scarier, okay? But once again, I hope you enjoyed the video. I never know how to end videos, so bye.
Yeah.